How to change age on Nintendo Switch. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on the Nintendo Switch. Maybe you've accidentally entered the wrong birth date when setting up your account, or you need to update your profile. No worries, I've got you covered, so let's jump right into it. Before we get started, just keep in mind that the age on your Nintendo Switch account is tied to your Nintendo account, which you use to access online features. So let's make sure we get everything set up properly. First, go ahead and open your system settings on the home screen. It's the gear icon on the bottom of the menu. Once you're in system settings, scroll down on the left side of the menu and find the users section. Click on that, then choose your user profile. Next, scroll down a little bit more and you'll see an option called Nintendo account. Click on that to open your Nintendo account settings. Now here's the thing, you can't change your age directly on the Nintendo Switch itself, but don't worry, Nintendo has made it easy. To change your age, you'll be redirected to the Nintendo account website. To do this, simply click on the option that says go to website. This will open the Nintendo account page in your web browser. Next, you'll need to log in with the Nintendo account credentials. After that, once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account settings. From here, you can update various details including your birth date. To change your age, click on the profile section and you'll be able to edit your birthday. And that's it, you've successfully updated your age on Nintendo Switch account.